get, or the students can be able to get or access more cash than they used to do there before.
Kabon awantire eweche mag somo mag mbalariany. Gavana ma Uasin Gishu Jonathan Bii okwayo horuok e kind jonyuol kod jopuonjre mane manyo thuolo mag somo piny mag Finland kak nonro dhi mbele. Bii okwayo jonyuol mondo oyienegi gitim nonro mowinjore ewi mibadhi mosekwako chenro mag tero jopuonjre e piny maoko. Olero ni ok ojwang'o joma osebedo ka chwalo ne tend kaunti no ng'ur, kendo medo ni gin kod ratiro mar bandho omendage. Jalup gavana ma Uasin Gishu John Baroroto wacho ni gibiro neno ni jopuonjre mane ochudo ochopo lek gi mar somo e pinje maoko. Bii kwayo horuok e kind jonyuol gi jopuonjre go ka owacho ni gik moko biro dhi e yorno makare.
Meeting with the president of Laurea University just to look at logistics of how these 46 will travel for their studies, within the next 2 weeks. So we have 24 who will be going to Otanemie for nursing, and we have 22 who will be going to University of Kratia. I want to thank the parents because there was a new condition that they needed to pay fees for second semester before getting visas. And the parents organized themselves, paid fees, and that is why they have gotten the visas. The first semester fees were already paid by the program.
Wale ambao wanalia tulikuta nao juzi, kweli ukiona, we feel for them. We feel for the parents. We feel for those youngsters who are really making a lot of statements on what is their future and where is it going. They want to tell them, cheer up. After talking kidogo, I know we will come up with amicable solution. Let us sober up, hoping that all things will work well for us. Alafu miujiza, while there is that kelele kidogo, visa inaendelea kukuja sasa. Yani unafika kelele alafu visa inakuangukia sasa. Tunataka tuseme tufumulie tu kidogo. Mimi naona kuna matumaini.